Few weeks ago we saw the new CLA, and now Mercedes Benz is presenting the second model of this completely new vehicle family. The all-new CLA Shooting Brake is the first electric Mercedes Benz available as an estate. It combines the elegance, sportiness and intelligence of the CLA with plenty of space for passengers and luggage, as well as high degree of interior versatility. The boot has a volume of 455 to 1290 liters. The illuminated frunk under the front bonnet holds a further 101 liters. A WLTP range is up to 761 kilometers, which enables high everyday and travel suitability. Recharging for a further 310 kilometers is completed in 10 minutes. The European market launch of the CLA Shooting Brake with EQ technology will start in March 2026. Fully electric models play a key role in implementation of Mercedes-Benz's sustainable business strategy. However, the wishes and the mobility needs of customers in different regions of the world determine the pace of this transformation. The all-new CLA Shooting Brake will also be available early next year as a hybrid with 48-volt technology and an electric motor integrated into the transmission. So those are some great news. Tell me in your comments, how do you like the car and which powertrain would you spec? Also, do you prefer CLA or CLA Shooting Brake? Do subscribe to the channel, thank you for watching and see you on the next video. Bye bye!